So we're in transaction FB50 where I want to post a GL account document, but I get an error that the posting period is not open. So now I want to report this as an error. All I need to do is to double click on the SAP logo, and then our product is triggered. The first thing it asks for is a confirmation to take a screenshot. So I will allow that because this is not a sensitive HR or finance transaction. Now the main screen appears where I can enter a subject, of course the long text, and at the bottom part of the screen we have HP Service Manager related fields. So these are the default fields that we deliver. We have the urgency here and the impact, as well as the assignment group. Please let me know that it's automatically populated, so we're submitting a ticket from a finance transaction, so that's why it will go to the SAP Finance team, Service Desk team. You can hide fields that you don't want to display for end users, and you can of course add extra HPSM fields here, but this is the default template. Okay, so I just press send, and the incident is opened. So here we have the title, the description, the status is populated. Obviously the requested by and contact person fields are set to my SAP user, so this can be mapped very easily based on email, based on username, or based on an explicit mapping table. We also have the primary affected service populated, as well as the affected CI. It's actually the system from which we've sent the ticket from. And here we have further categorization fields set, like the area and assignment group. This is a functional feature not working, and it ended up in the finance assignment group. We have the impact urgency populated as well, and we have set up a new source, so you can see that it was directly sent from SAP. So let's check the attachments. This is a great feature of the tool, that it automatically adds extra information as attachments. First of all, we have the screenshot, so there are no surprises here. We have an authorization report, which will be empty in this case. I will show you another use case where this is populated. And here we have screen field contents scraped into an Excel file. So your end users won't have to type in so much, because the field values are captured from the screen in this column, but you can see that the program adds all the technical details as well. So now you can see that in this program, this screen, this field, which was actually posting date, had this value. So your end users can create ticket quicker, and they don't have a chance to make typing mistakes. So let's continue with this PDF file, which contains a lot of technical information. First of all, it contains a header with details of the affected user and system, all the user input, and from the second page you can find a lot of interesting things, like program details, current title, the transaction code, program, screen number, subscreen number, application component, all the details of the error message, message class, message type, message number. Even the complete long text is added here. The next section contains the call stack, which is empty in this case because we were on the first screen on the transaction. We have details of the SAP client, so it was a GUI for Windows with this version from this computer. All the backend user information is entered here with the information that you need to get in touch. Salutation, language key, country, time zone, and so on. Then we have a section with all the SAP system information, along with the database details, operating system information, version numbers, and so on. And the last chapter contains the complete component list with the release and service pack level information. So the basic idea of this tool is to allow quick ticket creation directly from SAP, populate as many fields of the incident automatically, and attach a complete information package, so the service desk teams don't have to spend much time with clarifying all these details via email or phone.